This woman tries to hurt her husband using a chainsaw. The man quickly runs away and climbs up a tree. In anger, the woman starts cutting down the tree. Their son is also standing under the tree. The man begs her to stop so he doesn't get hurt. The man rushes down to protect his son from the falling tree. The tree falls on both of them, but the man manages to save his son from any harm. The woman then walks toward them with the chainsaw, but the man grabs his son and runs away. Suddenly, an angel appears and hits the woman with a stick, stopping her and saving the father and the son. Write your opinion about this video in the comment section below.